All right, guys, it's 2021. There's no need to be driving around with that dent in your vehicle anymore. It's 2021 after all.
And a new year means a new beginning. So we're gonna go ahead and show you a repair we did here on a 2009 GMC Yukon left rear door. So this gives you a pretty good understanding as far as what your average eye is gonna see. But you can see this edge of this panel is rolled in, as well as the two big dents. Also, there's other multiple small dents below the door handle there. Here I am just kind of pointing them out for you. But there's also this back edge here has a minor paint crack. The reason this happened is because the exterior sheet metal was pushed into the inner structure, causing a hairline crack in the paint. We can go ahead and fix all this damage, but for the paint crack, we're just gonna have to apply some clear coat touch-up paint. This will seal it up and prevent any type of damage from moisture or road debris. All this damage can be repaired and removed using Paintless Dent Repair, but that's not necessarily what everybody always wants every single time. The two main big impact points were what the customer was most concerned with: the rolled edges on the doors, as well as the minor paint crack and the small door dings up towards the front of the doors were not really a big concern for the customer. You know, it's an 11-year-old vehicle. The vehicle has other dents and dings and scratches in it. It's not a big concern. So we actually have to go ahead and walk through with them on the whole process and kind of make sure that everybody's on the same page as far as what do they want repaired and what maybe they want just improved. So we ended up coming with a repair plan, basically where we were going to spend the most amount of time fixing the big two impact points that you can see very obviously here. Then spend some time on the smaller door dings and stuff up above them, which we're able to get out completely regardless. They were the least concerned with the rolled edges there. So the rolled edge on the bottom wheel lip there, as well as on the back edge of the door where the paint crack was, they really couldn't see that unless we really pointed it out to them. And then they could see them once we did point it out. So they were kind of like, well, if you can just go ahead and improve these and make them less of an eyesore, that would be totally okay with us. So knowing that, we're able to craft our repair plan for them and work within their budget. So let's go ahead and get this repair started. We're able to access these dents through the window opening in the top part of the door there by just installing a window guard and then putting our tools down the window channel and slowly pushing it out. We also had to use the glue pulling method on part of this damage to go ahead and get some of the bulk of it out at the beginning of the repair process. From there, we just go about a long, tedious process of switching up tools to kind of slowly work the damage out, as well as doing some knockdown work that we're seeing here, and then that allows us to go ahead and make this repair possible. Here we are working that bottom and lower edge out in order to get the damage out uniformly. Working the damaged areas from multiple different angles ensures for the best possible repair. Next up, we finish up with those two front door dings. Next, we finish up the repair with doing some minor buffing and polishing on the scratched areas of the door. Just a little more final tuning on the dents here, and they're completely gone. Then, last but not least, we do a little bit of minor clear coat touch-up.
All right, so we're finished up the repair here on this GMC Yukon. Dents came out fantastic. Customers gonna be really happy when they see the final results here. If you've got any kind of similar damage in your vehicle, feel free to go ahead and give us a call or text us at 605-250-1023 or visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Thanks for watching.